Hey everybody, this is Nanto, and this is a video of my 3D printed HuCard replacement cases. So this is what you get. The case itself is the part that is 3D printed, as well as the HuCard case arm. And then I also include a new jewel case cover that is specifically fitted for my case design. I don't recommend you using any other kind of jewel case cover. It's just because I modeled this specifically for this brand of jewel case cover. So what that means is that you don't even have to worry about it because I include this with every case. So you get this entire thing, and I'm selling them in bulks of 3 to a pack. So now I'm going to show you real quick the assembly process of the HuCard case. So here's a finished case straight off the printer, and then I also 3D printed the HuCard case arm separately. And if you notice here, I'm not sure if you can see it in the video, but the diameter of the pegs here I enlarged to make it actually a stronger part. So when it's inserted into the case, it's less likely to break. I noticed if I use the original size pegs, then they would break quite easily because the part is so small. So I made this actually better for you, and all I have to do is just line this up, and then I press this down, and through friction it will stay in the holes. Okay, so once that's in there, I'll just assemble the top case, and there you go. Perfect fit. Okay. And then now you can put in your HuCard and your manual. Here. Doesn't look too bad. But now for the best part, which is adding the really cool spine label that is offered by a member on the PC Engine Effects forum. His name is Sparky, and I'll also include a link in the description below on where you can buy his spine labels. These are just really awesome to have and work perfectly with my cases. So I'm gonna apply this to my case right now. I'm gonna pull back from the backing. And let's see. Gotta line this up. Okay. Ooh, there you go. Perfect on the first try. All right, yeah, look at that. All right, well, there you go. This is the 3D printed HuCard case. And again, I will have a link to where you can purchase these in the description below. Thanks, guys.